My best suggestion to you, like when you're using templates, is always just to start. It may sound simple, but start with the search to see if there's something specific or exactly that matches the message you're trying to do. And from there, if I don't find an exact match, I'll use the filtering. So we have a lot of great categories. If you're wanting something that's more minimalist, we have a lot of corporate templates, and there's a corporate filter. If you're K-12, there's a lot of announcement ones. And then from there, you can even filter by content as well. But if I'm not finding exactly what I'm looking for from searching, one thing that I always like to tell people is maybe use your imagination a little bit. So I will actually look at a template based on the layout, right? So it's like I want an image on the right side and I want text on the left and then a background image. So there's several layouts like that where I can take an existing template and change it. So I'll add the template, change the background image, and then change the text and all the content of it. So you can basically envision or re envision an existing template into something completely different.